To enable and use Do Not Disturb mode in Xiaomi Redmi A5, first of all, we'll need to open a settings on our smartphone device. Next step is to move down until we locate the sound and vibration, until we locate the notification settings. Then we can scroll down and look for Do Not Disturb mode, enter it, and right here you can already turn it on or off with the switch just like that. Additionally, we can change the behavior for Do Not Disturb mode. So first tab is what can interrupt Do Not Disturb mode, and here we have people. You can go for messages and calls and activate which contacts will be able to bypass Do Not Disturb mode, or you can select none to disable all of the contacts. Additionally, you can apply it for the calls as well, and you can activate or deactivate allowed repeated callers, which will make the calls come true if you're in Do Not Disturb mode after a second try. Then we can go to the apps as well, and you can add some of the apps that you want to bypass Do Not Disturb mode as well. And here we can also find alarm and other interruptions like alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, calendar events as well. There's a schedule. You can set up the schedule for Do Not Disturb mode, which will enable it automatically, or you can just go for a sleeping, which is the best one when you're about to go to sleep. There's a duration for quick settings as well, so if you activate Do Not Disturb mode using the panel on the top of your phone, then it will change the behavior for until you turn it off manually. You can enable it for a certain time like 1 hour, or you can change it with plus and minus to 2 hours, 3 hours, and etc. We can also go for ask every time, and this will make this panel right here appear each time you're gonna click on Do Not Disturb mode. There's also display options for filtered notifications, and when Do Not Disturb mode is on, you can pick no sound from notifications, no visuals or sound from notifications, or pick a custom one, and then customize multiple different settings here as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.